Welcome my friends, my name is Yuri, top trading offer. This lesson will be about why you lose everything in trading. Why I record this lesson? Because today and many days before, many people wrote to me from TradingView because when I publish an idea that gold can hit all history high, when those who open sell all gold wrote to me and asked me why. And at this moment I will share you some examples when people lose 100k, 200k account, 6 million account, and mistakes in all cases the same. That's why, my friends, once more, many of you will repeat these mistakes and will also lose such amount of money. That's why, if you don't know how to trade, better not to do. Let's go to this lesson. Before that, I ask you to push like, subscribe, write down a comment and turn on notification, because when YouTube sees that you push like, support this idea, YouTube will share it with other people. And for me, it's the best thank you from your side. Go.
First example for you, a reason why you will lose all money in your trading. Example for you here, Ri wrote to me today and she asked me about this situation with EURUSD. As you can see, hi Yuri from Indonesia, my friend using EA for trading, EA using martingale. Please, I hope you can advise me. Take a look here. Account 15 millions of USD. 15 millions of USD. And that account completely real. As you can see, it's here, real account. And he have uncovered 6 million loss.
6 million loss on real account. Just imagine. Fuck. I don't have other words. And it doesn't matter what account size you have. If you have don't knowledge, it doesn't matter. Still, you will lose.
And take a look what after that. He showed to me all her trades, as you can see. And what happened? As you can see on all of these trades, you would see that they started open buy on EURUSD, and after that, Martin, when price go against them, how it works. Example for you, what strategies they use, and if you will use the same strategy, you will lose also far more. Example, on EURUSD, we open this chart. Okay, EURUSD. And you saw they open sell on EURUSD at 1.10. It's 1.10 at nearly at this area. And how that strategy works? They open sell here. Price moves against them. After that, they open new additional sell. After that, they open new additional. And after that, they open huge amount of additional sell position with hope that price will come back and they will be able to close it with profit. But sometimes there would be a situation like here and price will not come back. Sometimes there would be a situation like on gold. If you would take a look on a gold globally, price since August 2018 rose up from 1,163 to 1,877, and at this moment. That's why for you it will be best example in your
It would be the best example for you in your trading life, that it doesn't matter what account size you have, still you can lose huge amount of money. Also, I would like to share some statistic. If you don't believe me, you don't need to believe me. You can also check a statistic. According to FCA regulation, United Kingdom regulation, German regulation, every broker on their website need to write down a percent of people who lose money in that broker. They officially on their website. And when you open a website biggest brokers in the United Kingdom, Germany, you would see something like this.
Take a look on this. Example of you, FXCM, one of the biggest retail broker in the United Kingdom. CFD complex instrument, and what's going on here? 75 of retail investor account lose money with this CFDs with this provider.
75.38% of people lose their entire account on those broker, and it audited by FCA, Financial Conduct Authority of United Kingdom, by United Kingdom government. They check that. It's not some numbers which some people share on internet, it's the truth. And when you work against these numbers, and why you will be at that 25 who at least don't lose, And it's that 10% of people who make money, and it's that 5 who really become a pro. You need to ask yourself what you need to do.
Another example for you, this broker Admiral Markets. On Admiral Markets, as you can see, 79% of people lose money here, even bigger amount of people. 79% of people. Oh my god, just a minute, 75. And the broker which I personally use, AxiTrader, I trade with this broker, and here is
72% of people lose money. As you can see, number here, one of the best, because many professional traders use this broker, and below in contacts you can find a link how to open account with this broker. I completely recommend you. Once more, what can I tell you? Friends, you saw these examples. You saw example how one person blew out 6 millions on 15 millions account. Let's go to another example, because I think you will not believe me. You will feel, some of you can think it is like a dream. What's up, guys? What's up, web? Because also another man wrote to me a few days ago, and I would like to share that situation with you, and you will understand that in most cases, situations are the same, completely the same. His account 1038k of USD real account, and as you can see, he opened buy position at this point, and after that at 1708, and after that when price rose up, he opened new additional buy position. And example for you how it happened, as you can see, gold, he opened first sell at 1708. It was in this area. Maybe here, we don't know, but, and after that when price started up price, instead of close it, he added additional entries against that. He added additional entries because he believed that price can come back. And what had happened? No, price didn't come back, and price will never come back. Okay, at this moment, I would like once more to read this to you. He could close all of this stuff with a loss 4,000. If he would know how to manage losses, if he would never use a martingale. But as you can see, because he used a martingale, he added additional volumes, additional entries against him. And what happened? Yes, market smashed him, because there always will be different cycles. There would be accumulation, there would be distribution, there would be places when price will be for many months in a range, but there would be a time when price will start trend. And when there will be a trend move, all martingale strategies will blow out all accounts. And it doesn't matter how much money you have. You can have 138k or you can have 15 millions, still you will lose money. Doesn't matter. Okay, go ahead. Another example for you. Many months ago, one man, Muhammad from Egypt, wrote to me. And same situation, but account different. Same situation. Account size 143,000 of USD, and uncovered loss minus 130k. And the same strategy, as you can see, DAX index, the price started uprise, and instead of close small loss, he added new additional volume. As you can see, after that price moved against him, and he blew out all this account. As you can see, he also sent to me his login investor password, and when I analyzed it, I told him that he made huge mistake. Also, as you can see, I recorded video to him, and where I told that he made huge mistake and he need to close as soon as possible. Maybe as I create a screenshot with his entries here. As you can see, minus 128k, and after that, as you can see, the same. Price started powerful uptrend, and he just opened sell against the trend. It's completely big mistake. That's why, my friends, for you, it's one of the best examples that why you should understand what you trade. The problem of all of these people, their mistake was they started their trading without understanding what they do, because I spoke with all of them, 3 of these people, and also many other people wrote to me from TradingView and asked me for help, because as you can see, I have 33k subscribers on TradingView, and believe me, a lot of people write to me on an everyday basis. And when I spoke to them, they didn't understand what to do. That's why my advice is, what should you do? First, Before you open a trade, you always need to know what will be your risk and how much you can lose. If you don't know how much you can lose, and if you don't have a low predictable risk, don't trade it, don't do it. Second, take education. Why you trade without understanding how it works, what strategy works, what not. You can take my education, you can take other education. Below this video in comments, I create a free course for beginners. Use that course where I show to people about all risk. At least you will not lose money. Just take it. Below it for free. The next point, if you don't know how to trade on small account, it will not help you on bigger account. Never start trading on a bigger account, because if you didn't master it on small money, bigger money only will create bigger mistakes. Why? Because there will be bigger emotions. History to you. 2 years ago, I had under management 20k of USD, 20,000 of USD, and I had when I traded, I had risk per position nearly 100 USD. And after that, when I started promoting myself on TradingView, I got 500k under management. And what happened after that? Yes, my risk per position increased from 100 to 1,500 in 15 times. And I wasn't prepared for that. And I made mistakes. I didn't blow out that account. I didn't trade it like I trade 20k, and I didn't make money on that account first time. Like first 3 months, for me, it was very hard to adapt that my volume, my risk in many times bigger. That's why it's the same for you. If you didn't trade on small money, if you didn't make money for at least 1,000 account, never do it. Just never do it. You will save a lot of money. You saw 3 examples where people lost huge amount of money. In some countries, for example, 6 million, some people will never see such amount of money in their life. Even 60k, for example, in Ukraine, average yearly income, annual income per person, nearly 4,000 USD per person, nearly 4,000 per year. Just imagine. Some people will never see even 60k in their hand at the one time, in their entire life. And you just, some of you blew out it. That's why, my friends, I would like to summarize you. If you don't treat trading like a job, if you don't do it like a job where you need to work, you study, you need to improve yourself, you need to invest in your education, your knowledge, just don't do it. That's all. If you treat it like a casino, better go to real casino where you can drink some alcohol, find some ladies and something like that. Better go there. You will have fun. You will understand why you lose money with better fun. If you do it just here, you will blow out account, you will not satisfy, you only will blame other people, like scam you, but the main problem, it's your problem, it's your mistakes. Only you, the only one person who is responsible for such losses is you.
But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Because you didn't educate yourself, that's all. And I recommend you, don't do it. Just if you have a job, if you have a dream about free life, you want to travel, you want to be in different countries, for example, something like this, you want to get a boat where you will be able to swim with your girlfriend, something like that. Yes, it's a good dream, but if you can't work for that, if you can't create a step-by-step plan strategy, skip it. Better buy stocks, better buy ETF with yield, annual yield 5-6% per year. Save that money for 10-20 years, create your capital and live for percentage. That would be far better for you. That's why, use my advice at this moment. If you think this lesson really useful right now, share it with your friend. If you have some traders, friends traders, it's important to share it to them, because some of them believe it's that news, it's that shit which many brokers sell to us, that like it's easy to trade, you can make millions. No, it's not easy. Just share that video to them. Also, write down in comments how much money did you lose in your trading career, how many accounts did you blow out, because for example, I blew out six accounts. For me, interesting to see what did you do and what lessons you got from your accounts which you blew out. Because, for example, one account taught me that I need to set stop losses and different other lessons. Also, push like, subscribe, and watch other videos on our YouTube channel because it's really useful. Thank you for your time. My friends, trade wisely and safely with low predictable risk. Bye.